An airstrike hit parts of Idlib, which remains under Syrian rebel control. The presidents of Iran, Turkey, and Russia met in Tehran Friday in an attempt to stop a humanitarian crisis in the area. In Brazil, presidential candidate Jair Bolsonaro is stabbed and taken to a hospital just 1 month before the country's elections. Mexican police find 166 bodies buried in Veracruz after receiving information about them in August. And hundreds of Iraqi women demand better public services and jobs at a protest in Basra.